Cheers. Thank you. This one looks good. The hash brown. I love hash brown. Oh, mine. I promise you guys won't believe that this is my fifth time filming this part of the video. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I am Diana and I'd like to welcome you guys to a brand new vlog, darling. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate the love and the support that I get from you guys. I will not speak much again in terms of what I was saying before. I was just complaining about the technical issues that are affecting the times in which I'm able to post my videos, right? Anyways, I just came to welcome you guys to this video and to kindly request that you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment or your thoughts about the video in the comment section below. Guys, please also turn on your notifications. I don't have like Instagram, like a private Instagram or other social media platforms where I can remind you guys when there's a new video. So if you have your notifications on, it allows you to know, right? Google, YouTube will automatically send you a notification to tell you that I've uploaded a video, and then you'll be able to watch the video, right? And I really appreciate that. I really would love for you guys to watch and engage with my content. It means everything to me. It gives me the courage to continue. So thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much to all the new subscribers who have decided to join our family. Guys, if you don't know what the subscription thingy means, it just means that you are saying, yes, I like your content and I'd like to get more of it, and I'll stay here so that every single time you post, I know. That's what it means. So please click on it if you have not clicked on it yet, so that what I've just explained will then become the reality. Anyways, I realized that I never have proper introductions for my videos. I'm always in a rush, so I decided, let me just be a good girl and come and film a proper introduction for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Bye. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Let me catch my breath and sit down. Guys, the sun is too much. I hope that's not the train. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but I'm off to get a wax. I'll talk to you guys properly when I get there. It's best I put my heart on, I can't breathe. Put my heart on, it the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the sea. It feels weird to be vlogging in public, but my intro was very short. So I missed my wax appointment, but it was shifted to 3:30, so I'm headed there now. Trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on. I'm done, guys. Just gonna brush my hair quickly and go finish my wax. Now I'm off to go get my nails done. Not on the budget, but it'll make me happy, so let's go.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Faith, a faith that is commanding, a faith that says, I know the word of God, it is in my spirit, I know what it says about me, I will believe it, I will confess it, and I will receive it for my life and my circumstances.
I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. And thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. I'm very, very sorry if there's a noise. There's kids playing. It's a long weekend. Everyone is happy. Everyone is out. Anyways, I don't have much of a voice because last night we went to attend the Maverick City and Kirk Franklin concert. And I didn't explain what was going on because we were in such a rush when we left. We were late. There was a lot going on, requesting and all of that. So I was not able to explain what was going on, but that was it. That's what happened. I mean, the event was amazing. Absolutely loved it. And as you guys know from my previous vlogs, that concerts are a thing now, and I'll be doing them often. Anyways, what I have on my face is a mask, or a scrub, some may call it. It's a combination of turmeric and honey and lemon juice. It helps with removing dark spots from your face, and I struggle with that a lot because I think I have hormonal acne. So every single time when I go like on my periods, my skin breaks out and it leaves dark marks, unfortunately. So I'm hoping that this helps. It's my first day of trying the challenge. I will come back and show you guys the results, but if you are willing to try with me, try it, baby girl, and let's see how it goes. I forgot to mention that you can use it for your underarms and for your down there area after you shave, because it also helps with the pigmentation down there and up here. Bye.
Kiss you, I just wanna feel you.
Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. It's a different day today. I hope you guys can hear me, by the way. It's a different day today. I just finished working. I'm working from home, fortunately. And then now I need to quickly get ready for dinner. It's currently, I think, a few minutes before 4, about 5 minutes to 4. And we need to leave around 5:30, 6, somewhere there. So I need to quickly go bath, install my hair again, and then get ready for the dinner date with my sisters. So I will catch you guys there. I just decided to fill you guys in so that you guys are not confused. So yep, later.
Outstanding.
3, 2, 1, go. Cheers. Thank you.
Give me my money.
one free. They'll probably do that, you know. Not having the chips.
Yeah, they will.
They will.
Maybe a yellow fella.
Additional.
They must bring those fries. They were actually nice.
Oh, it's you saying this. Come close up, mom.
Sure, this one looks good. The hash brown. I love hash brown. Oh, mine. Sister, thank you so much, man. You make us try things. No, mom.
The onion, no coffee science. Oh,
Looks really, really good.
No, this one uses to like onion, mom. Okay. Did we ever give some kind of respect?
Probably that's too chilly, Shem.
Crispy Kreme, it's a Krispy Kreme donut, ne? Is this zinger meat also? Oh.
We are blessed, Bavarin.
Spicy range. Yes, I do that.
Hey.
This one, but with This is nice. It's not as spicy. I think this one is spicy because it has two patties. But this one is very nice. Like the sweetness, and then
The chili goes really well together.
Hey guys, if you eat honey, this is.
Hey. You like everything.
I must bite again. This one is nice.